picture of your family.
Yeah.
As soon as you get ready with the camera, okay? As soon as you get to the platform. Jump up. I'm gonna give you a little second for you to get ready. Alright, keep it behind and you're good to go. Move your hand over here. Yeah. Hold this on, buddy. You like it?
Yeah.
There you go. Over that side.
That's nice.
I can see it around. Bottom cake, wait. What do you eat, man? You tried. Next time.
Other hand, Corey. Excellent work.
Set it up. Good, and whenever you're ready.
Yep.
Stand with your hand over here. Always on, man. Like it? Yep. There you go. Let it go. It was not there, it was between the two trees right there, buddy. What did you eat, man? Keep coming. Here we go, need your left hand over here. Are you trying to take me out?
I didn't notice something.
Oh, you're the left hand.
You just come off like that you want to hold on to something.
So, hope you guys having a great time, right?
Oh yeah, awesome.
You can see we have the Mayan mountains over that side. Nice background. Keep coming like a rocket, buddy. Oh.
Alright, give it that time.
Yeah. You like this one?
I like that one.
No, it's so bad. No, I'm tired.